So what do you need to know about Ads Manager? Twitter Ads is the paid media platform offered and developed on Twitter. Twitter Ads objective-based campaigns are designed to help you achieve results that drive action and add value to your business. Twitter Ads Manager is a central workspace to plan, manage, and report on campaigns so marketers can easily view and optimize performance at multiple levels: campaigns, ad groups, or promoted tweets and other ads. Twitter Ads can help businesses grow a social following, increase site traffic and sales, grow content engagement, increase video views, increase app installs, generate app re-engagement, and develop brand awareness. Take note of the following restrictions in place for advertising on Twitter. Ads for illegal goods and services are prohibited. Ads for products or services that are potentially unsafe or deceptive are also prohibited. Ads making misleading or deceptive claims that are prohibited, such as get-rich-quick offers. All advertisers should be honest and transparent about the product or service they offer. And ads for the following products or services are prohibited: adult or sexual products and services, drugs and drug paraphernalia, endangered species products, hate content, sensitive topics and violence, illegal products and services, spyware and illegal hacking, tobacco and tobacco accessories, unauthorized ticket sales, and weapons accessories. Note that the Twitter Ads dashboard can be customized to improve metrics visibility and focus using filters. At the campaign, ad group, and ad levels, click on Metrics Summary, drop down at the top chart, and select the metric that you want to visualize. You can customize a list of metrics too by selecting the Custom Metrics option with the same drop-down menu. And if you're working with an agency or different marketing teams for the same Twitter account, you might want to control who has access to it and what their permission levels should be, i.e. account administrator, ad manager, or analyst. This can be done by clicking on your account name in the top right-hand corner of your dashboard and clicking Edit Access to Account from the top drop-down menu. When creating a new tweet, you can upload a new piece of media such as a photo, GIF, or video. These will be added to your tweet and also stored in your media library. The media library is your collection of existing visuals from tweets you have posted, whether they're promoted or not. You can find it on ads.twitter.com by clicking on the Creatives menu and then selecting Media to upload. You can even transform your video into Scratch Reels directly from this dashboard. Scratch Reels are swipeable GIFs, a new way for you to engage your audience on Twitter. Users can control the animated GIF playback by moving their finger back and forth over the image. If left alone, Scratch Reels will animate continuously just like a regular GIF. Consumers love slowing down the instant replays or scratching dancers quickly back and forth. It lets them connect with the GIF in a personal way. And you can also download media to your media library in preparation for future tweets and centralize your visual content there.